Swing Trading Naked Options for Cash Flow and Net Worth. This is a course. This is an overview to the course, and you can find more information on how to go purchase this course so you can learn how to better trade naked options or options selling, options writing, whatever way or name you want to call it. So you can come to slingshotoptions.com. That's Slingshot Options. Sling as in a slingshot. Options.com to find out more information if you're not on the site already. So swing trading a naked option right there alone is a strategic approach. Now at Slingshot Options, we focus on trading high velocity type of swings based on price charts. So we have a specific angle at this site, and well, it's probably arguably the best angle for trading options, because usually with an option, particularly when we're buying the option, we want the underlying to move fast and in that direction with good velocity and follow through, right? Well, why not with naked options? Now, when you sell a naked option, it doesn't mean you need to just only sell for the sake of premium drain collection. Now, most people out there teach the selling of a naked option for the sake of premium drain collection. That means you're going to sell that option in order to waste premium into your account, so as a profit. So that sounds great to everyone, because it sounds like, oh yeah, now I'm the market maker, right? So that's another pitch that is sold, that sells people into selling naked options. So premium decay is now on your side. Well, yeah, that's a great benefit, but to sell a naked option for the sake of premium collection is arguably one of the worst reasons to sell a naked option. All right, although that sounds kind of strange. I mean, let me rephrase this. To sell a naked option for the only purpose, where that only purpose is for collecting, draining, decaying options premium, is a terrible approach to selling naked options. Unless you are targeting maybe a last day or two opportunity, a low-hanging type of fruit. And we'll talk about that concept as well, because it is another opportunity. Sometimes you won't have a great swing setup throughout the week. Now, let me finish what I'm saying. You won't have a great swing setup throughout the week, but you will have still a potentially good premium drain, rapid premium drain possibility on the last day, okay, or into the last day. And that is another way of generating income. But other than that, just putting on a position to collect draining premium, rotting premium, that approach invites so much trouble, it's not worth it. Plus, usually if you're only selling for premium collection, guess what? You're taking in tiny premium. All right? And if you do get momentum in your favor, it doesn't really benefit you much. So there is an approach to selling a naked option to have premium decay in your favor as a benefit, all right, as a side benefit, as a sideshow, an extra, oh yeah, that's great. So, but otherwise we still need to trade price action when selling naked options. So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you why that's infinitely better than just selling naked options for premium collection. I know there's been a lot of concepts over time, but how have those concepts worked out for naked option sellers? Not very well. So, there have been all sorts of crazy ideas. I mean, probably one of the most ridiculous ones I heard was the selling of naked puts, because naked puts never lose. How is that? Well, because stocks always go up. They actually, every time I repeat it, it makes me laugh. And so I'm like, huh? What are you talking about? Stocks always go up. So, yeah, that's when bull markets get to people's brains, right? Or rather their emotions. So, you know what happened when the overall market long-term trend correct. Yeah, they disappeared. So you don't need to get yourself in these type of scenarios. You don't need to get yourself in these leverage scenarios. I'm going to talk about the use of leverage, all right, and not. And so we're going to talk about swing trading also as a selling naked options, swing trading naked options as a net worth building approach. Okay, so now we can put the swing and premium decay on our side. So when we are swing trading naked options, particularly a last week type of premium decay setting, well, that now is more fun when we are selling naked options versus buying options in the last week, although there are fixes for that too. But still, that premium decay is just brutal when you're buying options in the last week, and you really need that stock to move to make it worth the while just to make up for premium decay. But if you're on the other side, well, now you have quite an extra edge. So we're also going to talk about weekly option naked options swing trading, and we're also going to discuss micro swing trading, where there is a ton more opportunity, particularly when the day bars aren't looking so swingy. All right, but there still can be a lot of highly precise opportunities to grab some quick cash profits from weekly options. So that's exciting too. Now, why would you sell naked options? Well, you have a significant amount of cash, right? And so you're looking to grow net worth and, well, cash flow too. And you're familiar with selling stocks, but you're like, well, I'm sorry, not selling stocks, buying and selling stocks, and that has a certain edge, but it has an edge, a hard edge to it, and that's tick for tick edge. And here with options, you have a little bit more of a buffered scenario. Of course, we're on the opposite side of the risk-reward ratio in the delta scenario too. So if it starts going against you, those deltas go against you fast, right? But it depends where you're selling it. But pretty much, yeah, that's how it works. So, and with stocks as well. But to have this extra buffer of premium decay, that appeals to a lot of people, right? And there are opportunities, particularly when you're selling weekly options, to just really make that premium decay an extra edge. And that's the extent we go with premium decay. It's an extra edge. And if it's a last week weekly option, it could be a nice extra edge. But still, we just don't sell unless it's like a last day opportunity type of thing, like I mentioned. We don't sell the premium for the sake of it, all right? Now, we combine it with the swing. So, really, check out this course. If you're not at the site, come on over. If you're on the presentation page, scroll down and check out more information. I think the information in this course is going to add some very powerful knowledge, and it's going to give you a overall strategic approach. Now, I don't teach any particular strategy like buy here, sell, or sell here, stop here, take profit. That's another concept. That's a strategy, okay? That's or a system. All right, that's another product. But here we're taking an overall strategic approach, which has tremendous value of its own, right? Because out of that, you can go back engineer a strategy or system, or you can go buy one if you're not quite sure how to do that. So, anyways, check out this course. I would get it and add to your knowledge and understanding, and it'll give you some creative ideas to get some net worth building plans going, cash flow as well, of course. All right, that's about it. Thanks.